Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sun's Vlogs. Recently treated myself to a relaxing pedicure at the salon and I can't wait to share the steps with you. Join me as I walk you through the indulgent process of a professional pedicure experience. For busy moms, a pedicure isn't just a luxury, it's a must. After indulging in this self-care ritual, you'll not only have beautiful pampered feet, but also a rejuvenated spirit. Prioritize yourself, moms, you deserve it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.